and AWS, and what is the difference between AWS and Azure, and the difference between on-premises and cloud architectures, and what are the entire networking part, IP addresses, what are the IP addresses we have, and what is public IP address, what is private IP address, and how to distribute the IP addresses in subnet level, and route tables, and security groups, everything will cover networking part. And coming to
Hmm.
the VPC concepts, how to create the VPCs, entire architecture. So daily we have 1 hour session. So first 10 minutes I will explain the entire architecture. So remaining 15 minutes we'll do the conversions. Like sir, we'll discuss on each and everything parameters and conversions. And last 20 minutes we'll discuss the troubleshooting areas. Okay. So what are the errors we are getting? Real time, how to solve everything, and how to solve the issues, and how to debugging and everything. Okay. And
Hmm.
like the entire daily, I will explain one module. So like the module in the sense like in a 1 or 2 services, what is VPC and entire, how to deploy the VPCs and subnets, and how to create the subnets, internet gateways, route tables, security groups. So entire they are including, and after that we need to learn some additional. Coming to the peering connections, how to communicate to different VPCs in a region and into different accounts, and why we are using to the peering connections. Entire we need to discuss. And not gateways. So how to create the public subnets, private subnets, and entire VPC endpoints, and network security groups. And coming to the load balancer, availability, inter load balancers and data streaming groups, everything we need to discuss on it. So after that, we'll discuss the entire how to take the backup, creating the email images, and how to create the snapshots, and creating and configure the EBS
Hmm.
storages and everything. Entire we need to discuss reserved instances and sport instances, and template, how to create the templates, and everything. Okay. So once entire EC2 instance is completed, like so easy to complete it, I will explain to the storages. Like S3 buckets and the storage gateway and AWS backup and elastic disaster recovery and S3 glacier. After that, I will discuss to the database concepts, RDS database, Redshift, and DynamoDB. Okay, and Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL. We need to discuss. So entire lecture after that, we'll discuss the mountain routes, load watches, and alarms, how to create the or how to trigger the alarms and everything. And after that, we'll discuss the entire IAM part, identity and access management, how to create the users and user groups, and rules and policies. So entire will cover the 25 services. First of all, I will explain the manual. Okay. First of all, I will explain the manual. So after that, I will explain to the the Terraform through how to create the infrastructure, how to automate on it, and cloud formation through also how to create the infrastructure. Okay, and AWS CLI through also how to create the infrastructure.
How
So
to?
real time CLI through also will create the infrastructure. Okay. So no one
Okay.
nowadays no one can do the manual way. We need to do the automation. Like it's a entire Terraform through our cloud formation through our AWS CLI through we are creating the infrastructure. So because we are we had different environments UA and pod environments. Number of environments we have and number of subaccounts we have. So the time we are creating them manually, it will take a lot of time. Okay. So we need to do the automation. So like it's a Terraform through our CLI through or cloud formation through will create the entire infrastructures. Okay. After that I will start to the DevOps topics.
DevOps?
DevOps.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
this course, combined course of DevOps and AWS, right?
DevOps and
Hmm.
So like it's a start with the GitHub repositories and what are the branching strategies we have and how to commit on it and pull request and merging entire GitHub actions in there and creating the entire CI/CD pipeline projects. So not a theory post nowadays A class kit also installing everything. So they are installing softwares and everything, but we need to do the projects. Okay. How to create the CI/CD pipeline projects, like it's a Morgan project, and like integrate with the Jenkins, Terraform through how to create the infrastructure using to CI/CD pipeline project, and Ansible integrate Jenkins with Ansible, how to create the roles and how to run the playbooks using to CI/CD pipeline, and Docker with Jenkins, like it's how to create the Docker images and push into the Docker images and ECA book, entire CI/CD pipeline. In Kubernetes, how to deploy in Kubernetes, entire CI/CD pipeline. Okay, and creating the war files and job files and app files, everything we need to create on it. Everything we need to integrate on it, like the SonarQube, Nexus, Argo CD, GitHub, and Wilkins, Marvin, and GitHub. Entire we need to integrate on it. Creating the projects, we need to deploy it. Okay.
Hmm.
Coming to the Docker Kubernetes. Without Docker Kubernetes, like no one can run the projects nowadays. It's very, very important services for that. So entire like not installation, how to create the Docker files and creating the containers, how to create the Docker files, how to build on it. We'll get the Docker images, how to run the Docker images when we are creating the containers, and how to push it with Docker images and ECR info and Docker Hub info and Docker volume scenarios in a troubleshooting areas. Troubleshooting areas, we need to find out the issues like it's a volume scenarios and networking scenarios we need to troubleshoot. Coming to the Kubernetes, entire EKC cluster setup. Different ways through how to create the clusters and how to do the deployments and Elasticsearch and Kibana. So see here, Elasticsearch and Kibana and Prometheus Grafana. So entire will create the dashboards, how to monitoring on it and how to send the notifications and what are the deployments we have and logs and everything, metrics and everything we need to monitor that. What are the services we have and complicated applications, how to deploy it using to help jobs and troubleshooting areas, liveness probes and readiness probes and persistent volume clients. Everything we need to discuss on it into the YAML files. Okay, in a YAML files we need to discuss. And after that, we'll discuss the entire project scenarios. Terraform scripts. Using Terraform scripts. Without console opening, we need to do the projects. 11 microservices CI/CD pipeline project and Jenkins CI/CD pipeline projects is one of the project. And Spring Boot application is one of the project. And Java Maven using is one of the project. And infra creation is one of the project. And GitHub Actions is one of the project. In AWS also, we have two projects like support build code reply, code pipeline, NCS, the one of the project, and EKS is the one of the project. I will explain. Entire services we need to integrate, like it's GitHub and Jenkins and Maven, Argo CD, and SonarQube, Nexus, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible. Entire we need to integrate on it. We'll do the one or two projects. So end of the session, so you'll get the knowledge and like at least like 7 to 8 years of experience you'll get.
7 to
8 years of experience you'll get.
if we will learn all these things.
Yes.
And how much time you will take to cover all the topics?
Wonderful. Will take 2 hours.
2.5 months.
Yes. 75 days.
With how many days?
75 days.
Okay. And 1 hour class would be there from Monday to Friday.
So Monday to Friday, but like so after 2 weeks we'll discuss the projects and everything. So that time we'll connect the Saturday also sometimes. So because like in the project scenarios, it will take a lot of time. So we'll connect the 2 hours and we are discussing also. So we are not like we cannot stop the classes, right? Because it will take time. Like we are initially in the software installing, it will take like 30 minutes time, and creating the projects, it will take like 30 minutes of time. After that, we need to do the deployments and creating the projects, and we need to deploy the clusters with 30 minutes. It will take 30 minutes. After that, we'll
Hmm.
discuss the water measures and everything, and
Hmm.
any kind of changes, code changes, and everything we need to discuss on it. It will take almost like 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Right.
So I'm like at the time the weekend, like Saturday I'm free at the time. So we'll discuss to the projects and Saturday. Weekdays like
So,
we'll cover the services.
so then, so you will provide that course in a group of students with the group of students or what? It's a
Yeah,
one-to-one session.
you can contact to the like institute. I will explain to the one-to-one and let's group results.
So what are the fees? If one to one, I'll take the classes for one to one. Then what is the fees? And in a group, if group is there, then how many people group would be there?
You can discuss to the institute. Actually, I will try it.
Okay. So as of now, your batch is going on.
Yeah, number of batches are having actually. So individual time, actually number of let's say daily let's say let's almost it's 78 batches. So continuously I'm running the batches and everything. And yeah,
And one more thing. So any prerequisite, whatever we will go for the project. So what the laptop would be there, personal laptop should be
so
there, and what
yeah,
kind of
yeah,
softwares and all that we have to
yeah,
upload. So is there any prerequisite?
yeah, sure, definitely. So prerequisite is like definitely it's you need a laptop, and
Hmm.
coming to the you can like it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11 OS you can install it.
Hmm.
So you can don't take to the Mac OS, okay? Because like
Hmm.
it's a Windows environment is fine, like everything.
Hmm.
AWS environment or Azure, any cloud platform. Because like when I'm explaining to the project scenarios and in real-time scenarios, the
Hmm.
third-party services behave. So macOS you will definitely will get a lot of issues and everything. In a Windows environment, we need to easily we can install it. We need to do the projects and everything.
Hmm.
So must and should every
So,
company, every projects, definitely they are using number of third-party tools, right? So
hmm.
definitely we need to install it and we need to do the some kind of activities.
Hmm.
So on that
So
time,
for this for AWS, uh, we are learning AWS cloud now. So we
Mhm.
have to get the subscription also for AWS.
Yeah, subscription level you can create the one account. Don't worry for that. I will explain it. So you will get the $120. So can I know the like sir, you are from India, like sir, where are you from? Can I know?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, okay. So in India, like you can create the account, you will get the $120. It's a free tier account. So in a training
Hmm.
purpose, you can cover the all $120. But end of the time, when I'm explaining to the projects, if you are doing any projects at the time, so the services and entire will start the services and everything, right? Will running. So the time it will be run, you will get the charges.
But there
But
is some restriction, na? Like some hours के लिए we only can use the services and all.
we
There
can
are
use
some
on it. Yeah, restrictions we can, but like in a real time scenarios, you are practicing the time, you will get the bill definitely because they're like highly conversions, right? If you are using less conversions, at the time you cannot survey it in real time.
hmm.
In RDS database, we need to launch the minimum like 30 GB or 50 GB storage gateway. At least we need to launch the 230 GB. But in a free tier, we have only 30 GB of EBS volume. We need to take the 230 GB, right? So on that time you will get the $2 and the $3. So the it's a less charges you will get. So 1 or 2,000. So end of the time you will get in your project scenarios. In Kubernetes scenarios also it will be
At
included.
that time we will have to pay now. I will have to pay that amount if we want
Yeah,
some
you
another
can
services that is not.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. It's a free tier account. You can cover the all services. When you're like doing the projects and the time you'll get the bill 1,000 or 2,000. So if you want
So
to
in our
continue
training,
the yeah,
so in our training program, should I pay something uh, for that services, or all will be covered in the free account?
all will
That
be covered in free tier. All will be covered in
no
free tier.
need to purchase anything.
No need to purchase it.
Okay. Hmm. Any that placement support also you are giving, like
Yeah, we'll give the
after
placement.
completing this, so I can place also in, like, I can get placement also in some of the MNC. Some kind of support is also there with your company.
Yeah. The end of the time, we will support you. Like it's uh, interview support and interview preparation that is there, and we'll give the problem support also. Uh,
Preparation batches. मतलब should you refer me? Can you
DevOps and
refer me
everything.
in? Huh?
So, sorry, I didn't get it.
Yeah, I just want to know, after completing these sessions or course, if I put on my resume, and can I have some support from your end to get my reference to the companies, so that I can get the call and crack the interview, and I can place myself in some company, and I can restart my career.
No, we'll give the details and we'll support you. We'll give it not, we'll not. So, no, nowadays, no one can give the reference. They will get the data person. Okay. But we'll give the HR details and HR references and everything. So you can put
Hmm.
on the resume and you how to clear the interview and everything, and I will explain. So we'll take the mock interviews and everything. And interview preparation batches
Okay.
also is there. You need to attend the interview preparation batches. From the time
Hmm.
we will discuss the shell scripting and Python in a DevOps scenarios and everything. So definitely within a 15 days or 1 month, you will clear the interview and everything.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So where
So
is this institute offline? Is there any offices there in Vishakhapatnam?
no, you can discuss with the course design also. So may individual let's try working on the course design.
సార్ 1 minute సార్ నేను మీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను.
Yes.
హలో
Yeah,
హలో
hi.
She will
యా హాయ్
discuss.
Yeah.
మ్యామ్.
She will discuss you, Richard.
సార్
Yeah,
డెమో ఇస్
Abdul.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Yeah, particular. Yes.
హలో
And Rajshekhar, one more question. That if I want to do the certification in AWS Solution Architect course, so what should I do? This course will help me out for this, or the preparation for that certification,
So
or
after training, you can easily complete the solution architect exam. But the thing is, the solution architect, you can apply the uh, certification program like it's an AWS portal. It will be
hmm.
the charges definitely you get it's a 15,000 more than. So 15, I think like say 18,000 it's a certification fee. You can apply it. So one or two chances you will get. So but before that you need to train everything, and after that you can train yourself.
Hmm.
Okay.
This
So
course will help me
yeah,
to
it will
crack
be
the.
help you. It's definitely it will be.
All the topics will be covered,
Yes.
whatever required in AWS Solution Architect,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. Everything all the services will be covered. You can easily you can complete the exam. Not only
Okay.
solution architect, it's an associate and like it's admin level also you can easily complete the certification. Because
Hmm.
we'll complete the roles in a development and admin role and solution architect. The three roles it will
Hmm.
right? So those topics entire will cover.
Okay.
Okay. I'll share the content. Okay. You can just share to the your email ID and post event. So
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. What's your name?
Ma'am, once wait, ma'am. My name is Hama. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Sir, demo is completed, sir.
Yeah, completed.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. You can left, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Hema, could you please on your camera?
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I am.
are you able to see me? Yeah, hi,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So,
Yeah.
Hema, where is your institute? Can I go through the address and all? Where it is?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are belongs to Vizag, ma'am, Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, is there any offline courses are also going here? Like,
No, ma'am. Actually, we can't provide in offline because trainers are different states. They are from Bangalore, Hyderabad. They are working professionals, so that's
hmm.
why.
So the Rajshekhar also the working professional?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
He is from which company?
Actually, he's from one of the MNC company, ma'am. Actually, I don't know exactly company name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. And what would be the fee structure?
Yeah, ma'am. DevOps will be like it's 35,000, ma'am.
So this course is totally covered the topic of AWS as well as DevOps. So what would be the
Yes.
full fee of this particular course? The Rajshekhar has uh,
Yeah.
explained. Hmm.
Yeah. The
And
particular course fee will be like 35,000, ma'am, including DevOps with AWS.
okay,
Yeah.
DevOps and AWS, है ना?
Yes.
And is there any batch? This is group in a group like one to many. There is
No,
one teacher and many students. It's a one to one or what?
it's one to one, ma'am. It's